Welcome back. Today I'll walk you through setting up WB member blog with BuddyBoss, from configuring the required pages and access settings to publishing a blog post from the front end. I'll cover everything you need to get started. By the end of this video, your members will be able to create, publish and manage blog posts directly from their profiles without accessing the WordPress dashboard. Let's get started. Once WB member blog is installed and activated, head to the member blog settings in your WordPress dashboard. The first step is to configure the pages your members will use on the front end. WB member blog requires two main pages: a blog submission page where members can create new posts, and a member dashboard page where they can view and manage their existing posts. Select the appropriate pages from the available options. If you haven't created them yet, you can use the page creation option to set them up. Once the pages are assigned, save your settings and move on to the access controls. Next, let's decide who can create blog posts and how the submission should be handled. Under the access settings, choose the user roles you want to allow to create posts. This gives you control over which members can use the front-end blogging features. You can also configure your publishing workflow. For example, trusted members can be allowed to publish directly, while other submissions can be sent for review before they appear on the site. This gives your members the freedom to contribute while you maintain control over the publishing process. Now let's set up how members will create and manage their content from the front end. Start with the editor settings, where you can choose the editing experience available to members. For this setup, I'll go with editor.js, giving members a simple blog-based interface for creating their posts. Then head over to the content settings. From here, you can manage category options. Choose where the published post appears in the activity feed. Control how many posts are shown per page, and set the upload size and supported formats for featured images. Together, these options give you more control over how content is created and presented across your BuddyBoss community. Now let's look at some of the extra features available with WP Member Blog Pro. With restrictions, you can set rules and limits for member submissions. Giving you more control over how members contribute content to your community. You can also use custom fields to add extra fields to the post submission form and collect additional information based on your needs. These pro features make it easier to manage member content and give you more flexibility to create a blogging experience that works well for your BuddyBoss community. After logging in, members can head to their BuddyBoss profile and open the My Blog Dashboard section. Here they can see their existing posts, manage their content, or start a new post by clicking Create Post. To create a post, simply add a title, write the content using the front-end editor, choose the category, and add a featured image. Once everything is ready, the post can be submitted or published based on the publishing settings you have established. This gives members an easy way to create and manage their blog content directly from the front end without having to use the WordPress dashboard. And that's how you can set up WB member blog with your BuddyBoss community. Your members can now create, publish, and manage their blog posts directly from the front end while you stay in control of how content is submitted and managed. To learn more about WB Member Blog and WB Member Blog Pro, check out the links in the description below. For more product guides and WordPress updates, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.